Guys, ready. Oh my god, this is so yummy. Ready na siya, guys. Oh. Hindi namin nilagyan ng toothpick. Yung gagamit na lang ng toothpick pag kakain. Ayan. Wow, look at the bacon. It's perfect. Yummy appetizer. This is the seasoning I use. Cayenne barbecue, Killer Hogs barbecue. Just the stone, black pepper, and brown sugar. Na siya, guys. Lami kayo na atong appetizer. So maglungag jud ko anig rice kay lami gyud ni siya pare sa rice magkinamot. No? Yan, salamat sa Diyos may pagkain.